Pipkin, a tiny brown mouse with a twitchy nose, lived in a cozy hole behind the bakery. His favorite smell in the world wasn't cheese, but the aroma of freshly baked bread. But one day, a new, delicious scent filled the air. It's cheese. Pipkin peeked out of his hole and gasped. In the bakery window sat a giant wheel of cheese, the biggest he had ever seen. It was golden yellow, dotted with holes, and smelled like sunshine and happiness. Pipkin knew he had to try it, but how? He scurried around the bakery, dodging flour sacks and rolling pins. Finally, he reached the cheese. It was even bigger up close. Pipkin took a tiny nibble. It was delicious, but how could he take a bigger piece back to his family? Suddenly, Pipkin had an idea. He dashed back to his hole and gathered his brothers and sisters. Together, they pushed and pulled with all their might. Slowly, ever so slowly, the giant cheese started to roll right out the bakery door. Down the street they rolled, the cheese bumping and bouncing. Pipkin and his family squawked with excitement. They were unstoppable. But then disaster struck. The cheese reached a bump and rolled right into the grumpy cat. The cat, Mitten, who was napping in a sunbeam. Mitten woke up with a startled meow. Cheese rolling past him. Pipkin and his family froze. Then something amazing happened. Mitten, instead of chasing them, looked at the cheese, then back at the tiny mice. He nudged the cheese with his paw, rolling it closer to their hole. Pipkin and his family squawked in surprise and delight. They had all been scared of Mitten. But maybe he wasn't so bad after all. Together, they shared a delicious feast, proving that teamwork and kindness can overcome even the biggest cheese challenges. If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.